Our next awardee is a notable lawyer and a dedicated educator. He is the son of Pangasinan's foremost Governor Francisco Q. Duque and Madame Florencia Changson Duque. An active personality in various associations for higher education institutions, he has contributed his legal expertise that eventually resulted in policy amendments in the Commission on Higher Education and Professional Regulations Commission. He is also a natural leader. He once served the province of Pangasinan as its vice governor and the Philippine Overseas Employment Agency as its deputy director. His focus in the education industry eventually gave him access to various experts in the academia. Because of his well-rounded expertise and network of human resources, he was appointed to chair several research projects, which thus far have become his most lasting contributions to the academe and to Pangasinan. As chairman of the Special Research and Study Committee, the most historically accepted founding date of Pangasinan was finally determined and established. This paved way for the first ever celebration of the province's Foundation Day on April 5, 2010, and for the birth of ASNA Awards that gives recognition to exemplary sons and daughters of Pangasinan. As chairman of the Pangasinan Historical and Cultural Commission, another comprehensive research on the history of Pangasinan was completed. The work serves as basis for more publications that will support the history and culture integration to Pangasinan's school curriculum. Indeed, his work is considered pivotal in the influence of knowledge that enriches the provincial heritage and provides deeper connection among the people of Pangasinan. An outstanding son of Pangasinan, awardee is Dr. Gonzalo T. Duque, ASNA on Public Service for promotion of history, culture, and the arts.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for our ASNA awardee in public service for the promotion of history, culture, and the arts, Dr. Gonzalo T. Duque. The people of Pangasinan presents this ASNA award in public service for the promotion of history, culture, and arts to Dr. Gonzalo T. Duque for his conscientious work and his strong commitment in establishing the Pangasinan identity and cultural values through influence of knowledge and the promotion of history, culture, and arts in dedicated service to his Kabalayans. Given this 5th day of April 2014 in celebration of the 434th founding anniversary of the province of Pangasinan, Season Auditorium, Ligayen. Signed, Governor Amado T. Espino Jr.
Masantos yalabi si katayon, amin. Mabuhay tayon, amin. Mabuhay so Pangasinan. Ag tayo tatawagan so sarili tayong panggalato. No, walay man tawag si katayong panggalato, tampalyo. Because we are Pangasinenses. We are from the province of Pangasinan. Antayo, I have been described here. There is a saying in law, res ipsa loquitur. I want to observe my 2 minutes, not my long 2 minutes. Antayo, ni salamat ako si Governor Espino. Kasi kato so kanunang na amay qualification ko as an awardee. Ni salamat akmat sa Saray Committee ta minutagtag da tan inaral da. So ayay impan award da siya nata. Ta ayay ASNA award wadjaya natan because of the founding or the establishment of the founding anniversary of the province of Pangasinan. My dear friends, Our work is continuing. Again, because the history of Pangasinan, the book prepared by the Pangasinan Historical and Cultural Commission is about to turn over the book to the DepEd, Department of Education, to be integrated into our basic education curriculum so that our children will learn more about the political development, economic development, and cultural development of Pangasinan. Ang taong hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi patuturo sa paruroonan. As the saying goes. Pangasinan is number 1 today. Governor Espino is number 1. The Provincial Board of Pangasinan is number 1. But, you know, being number 1 is just comparing one from the other. The history book will enshrine you, Governor Espino, as a great leader of Pangasinan. When you say you're number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, no, good, better, best. But if you say, and you say this, and I say this without mental reservation, that Governor Espino is a great leader because he is incomparable. I repeat, he is incomparable. And so, thank you again, Governor Espino, for seeing through in today's awarding ceremonies. My fellow awardees, to all the ASNA awardees, I hope you welcome me to your home. And one day, we will also do great things for the province of Pangasinan. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gonzalo D. Duque, our ASNA awardee in public service for the promotion of history, culture, and the arts.